Dr. Adel is the Omda of Dahshur.
Good morning, everyone. Today is a very special day. I'm going to a very special place as well. It's a place located like 40 kilometers south of Cairo. Full season vibes are all there, so we're gonna get to know some of the very special places in Egypt with a very special friends. I'm very excited, and let's start the journey. It's Friday, and the weather is still a little bit hot, but it has a September feel of a kind of weather. So let's go enjoy the nature, and also not only the nature, but the beautiful feeling of being connected to our ancient Egyptian ancestors, because this place is actually a very special place. It's located on the west side of the Nile, and it's called Dahshur. Dahshur is a very, very, very ancient city. If you just go and Google Dahshur, you will know what I'm talking about. Dahshur is where the first seed was planted for the great ancient Giza pyramids, because there are the famous Dahshur Pyramids. Okay, enough talking, let's start the journey. On my way to Dahshur, the road is beautiful. I'm driving by a nice canal. A lot of agriculture around me, a lot of greenery, a lot of plants, a lot of everything. And let's talk after we arrive. Just arrived in Dahshur, and look at that. How beautiful, how gorgeous is the dates. Look at the palm trees all over the place. So this is beautiful Dahshur, the backyard of my friend's house. It's really gorgeous, so serene and so quiet and so nice. And look at the palm trees and the sun. Beautiful. Let's walk upstairs and see what is the view up here. Wow. Beautiful greenery everywhere. This is my friend's house. Plants. This is the hallway to the area of the pyramids. I want to show you the pyramids behind me. These are called the Pyramids of Dahshur. The builder of these pyramids is Senafru. He is the grandparent or the father of Khufu, and Khufu is the builder of the biggest pyramid of the Giza pyramids. I think he was inspired by his father or his grandfather. He got the inspiration, the knowledge. So here, where I guess where the story of the Giza pyramids has started, where Dahshur pyramids are now, because they were not perfect as the Giza pyramids, but they got the knowledge, the architecture, the inspiration and everything. This place is run by the solar energy
Solar panel.
in Dahshur. Everything is possible. The view from up here is amazing. I know, but I am like on the top of the world now. Amazing. I love it. I love the Egyptian skills in collecting the dates. Well, time to say goodbye. Okay, now the Dahshur day is over. I'm so happy and sad at the same time. It's a beautiful place. I've never been so excited to come to a place like Dahshur. I love everything about this place. The beauty, the people, the hospitality of Dr. Adel and Magda. Very nice people. And yeah, it's part of Egypt. It's part of who we are. Dates, pyramids. Actually having it all. We're having the nature, we're having the ancient Egyptians. Everything is here. Everything is in Egypt. How can't we be grateful for being in such a beautiful country? I think we should all be. Well, I'm very grateful. I have been here today, and I have to shut down my camera because I'm gonna start driving.